Everyone, welcome to this week's video. So the problem says Jalen loves basketball. She has invented a new type of basketball hoop that increases her chances of scoring. If the backboard is a rectangle with vertices A, B, C, D, the ball touches the backboard at X and the hoop touches the backboard at Y at the midpoint of CD at Y, then as long as XY is at most 24 inches, the ball doesn't hit more than 12 square root 3 inches above the net. Angles YXC and YXD are greater than, this is XYC and XYD are greater than 30 degrees. Then the ball will go through the hoop. If the ball hits anywhere else, it doesn't go through the hoop. Switch to basketball. If ABCD is a 6 by 3.5 feet rectangle and given Jalen always hits the backboard at a random spot, what is the probability she scores? So 6 foot by 3.5 foot is 42 inches by 72 inches, and the radius of this is 24 inches, and the height is always less than 12 square root 3. So you have this is 24. So then you know that since this has a ratio of 1 to square root 3, then that means that this is 30 degrees. So this is 24. This is 12, that's 12 square root 3. Then this angle has a degree measure of 30 degrees, and this has a degree measure of 60 degrees. And since we know that X, Y, C must always be greater than 30 degrees, then we know that this is, so the area that they can hit, this is 30, that Jalen can hit, this is 30 degrees. Then she can only hit in this part. And this part is just a triangle here. This triangle has base 24 and height 12 square root 3. So the area of the triangle is half times 12 square root 3 times 24. This is 144 square root 3. And then the area of these two sectors, well, these two sectors, they're so this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and since these are 30 degrees, then that means that each of these sectors are also 30 degrees. So therefore they're each 1/12 of the circle, and since the radius is 24 pi, we have 24 squared pi times 1/12 times 2, and since there are two of them, so this is equal to 96 pi. So the total area that she can hit is 96 pi plus 144 squared 3, and the total backboard is 42 times 72. So therefore that this is just equal to 2 pi plus 3 square root 3 over 63. So that's the answer to the problem.